welcome to another Vertical Attitude video about maintenance on your motorhome. This time it's going to be fitting this pollen filter, okay, and that's the actual filter. I recently had the vehicle serviced and they said it should have one of these filters changed every year, every service, okay. They wanted £55 to fit it. I bought this off Amazon for £11, figuring I can fit it myself. So I'll show you where it is under the bonnet, and then inside, because the access to the filter is from the inside, I'll show you how to get to it. So here we are under the bonnet. The airflow to the filter is underneath there. There's like a gauze, you can't see it properly. It goes in there and then it goes obviously inside. So here we are inside. The pollen filter is actually behind this box, and what we need to do is to take these 3 screws off. I've got my trusty little toolkit, and this is a Torx 25 to fit. I'm not going to show unscrewing it all. Once that's unscrewed, this bar lifts up, this drops down to the floor, and there's like a canvas thing there which we need to lift up to gain access to the rear. So I'm just going to get on with that and then show you a bit more in a moment. Well, okay, I've got the screws out, and what I did was push back on that bar and lift up. This then drops down. Now you can see it's blank at the back there. There's no access to the filter as yet. So what we have to do is a screw there, and another one just there, and one up here. Undo those, and then the back panel will drop down. Okay, that's the next bit that I've done. As you can see, this now is able to come free and drop down. There was some extra screws. There was one there I had to do, and there was one at the top on that side as well. Now this is the pollen filter cover just there. One screw there, another screw there, and that is a 5.5 socket. So we'll undo those, and then we should have access to the pollen filter. Well, okay, taking the little screws out, and they are small, careful not to lose them. There are 2 tabs here and here. I pulled the wrong way on this one and broke it, but never mind. So now this door is open, we can see the pollen filter is, and I am right, I've got to pull it from the bottom and out, and obviously already you can see the muck that's in there. There we are. As far as I know, since I've had the vehicle since 2015, this has not been changed. This is a 2012 model, Peugeot boxer base. Presumably Ducatos are the same. Some of the earlier versions don't have this back cover, and you gain direct access once you drop the door down to the filter box. Okay, so I'm going to slip the new one in from below, and then the reverse procedure of putting it all back together, and hopefully I've not lost any screws. Obviously this is a free unit, you can push it out of the way and then get on with the rest of the work. So probably to fit this, I don't know, 20-30 minutes no doubt. So yeah, not really a hard job, but you know, save a bit of money by doing it. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you're here for the next video.